guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you a website that you can use to make money online. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, Smartworkershome.com. Smartworkershome is an online job board. They currently have over 4,000 remote jobs. Before posting any job submitted by recruiters or companies, they pre-screen and check if it's legit. This company specializes on online jobs of different fields for both professionals and non-professionals. One of the no experience jobs you can find on this website is data entry jobs, where you'll be doing things such as rewriting documents or policies, pertinent documents, etc. Most data entry jobs on this website require no experience, but of course, if you have experience or you want to apply for something different, you can also find jobs suitable for you. This company does not only post jobs from other recruiters or companies, but they are also looking for writers for their own company. They have about 8 categories you can choose from as a writer, or you can pitch your own idea. Think about it, this company listed over 4,000 jobs. They also have to write homepage, FAQ, and other pages within their website. Who is doing all this while making sure that each and every job is properly listed and SEO optimized? Obviously bloggers, that's why they are constantly looking for writers. If you want to be part of their team, then you should definitely check this website out. I highly recommend this website to anyone who's looking for any kind of job, because they have thousands and thousands of jobs available in different fields. If you are not sure which jobs to apply for, maybe you don't want to do data entry or writing, you can just scroll down, you'll see different categories and you can just browse through and check the ones that appeal to you. Now, I need to make this disclaimer: do not give your bank details to anyone. In fact, I highly recommend that you open PayPal, Skrill, or Pioneer if you don't have already. Even though jobs on this website are legit, but after the application you will be communicating with the client or company directly. Just be extra careful. If you are not sure, you can also ask me on Instagram to double check. I am not a scam identifier, but I've worked online long enough to know when you are being taken advantage of. Number 2, Superprof.com. This website hires people who want to teach any subject online. They have students all around the world, including South Africa. You can either have international students or local students, or both. Firstly, you will have to create an advert which is free, introducing yourself, your subject, and your style of teaching. Once your advert is live, students will contact you. But I highly suggest that if you're from South Africa or any country, try to look for students in your area first, ask them to join the platform, teach them there, and then they can give you reviews and you'll rate higher. That way, most students will see your profile and they can approach you. In tutoring, word of mouth goes a long way. You just need a couple of students and they're gonna spread the word for you. On this platform, you set your own rates. They will give you an average for each subject. As a beginner, I recommend that you go $1 or $2 lower. Students can pay for single lessons or multiple lessons, and the system will ask you to update your price. You just have to multiply your rates with the number of hours. You don't need any degree to teach on this website. If you have it, then great, but it is not a requirement. Matric trials and finals are very close. Many students will need help, especially in South Africa with the opening and closing of schools. So grab this opportunity, make money tutoring online. Number 3, ConstantContentWriters.com. This platform is suitable for freelancers. You get paid to write for companies or clients. On this website, you have to create a profile first, then you will be able to browse through different jobs and you can start applying. Pay attention to offered rates, because clients will write their preferred rates, and if you're okay with it, apply, and once they approve, you can start working. Another important thing for this particular job, please read the guidelines, especially for submitting. There are rules on how to upload. I know reading guidelines is not fun, but sometimes you have to, because you can get fired before you even start. Even though you're working as a freelancer, you will be covered by the company. They'll submit your work to the client and the client will pay them and they will pay you. The disadvantage is they will take a small fee for being the middleman, but the advantage is you'll always get paid because you are not going to be dealing with clients directly. In order to get paid as an international writer, you have to reach minimum of $50, and they pay first week of every month. If you want a site where writing jobs are already available for you to claim, then you should check out Contentfly. Number 4, Coursera.com. This is another website that is constantly looking for tutors to solve questions in different subjects. This company does require to have a bachelor's degree or upload your academic transcript. It may not be suitable for those of you who don't hold any qualification or haven't had a chance to go to college. In that case, you can try Superprof. Another thing to bear in mind with Coursera, 99% of the time you won't be tutoring, but you'll be solving questions. If this sounds like something that you can do, then you should definitely apply. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.